The desire to purchase products essential for daily life with good quality and at an affordable price. All smart consumers have the same desire. Truth is, the dream of having a leisurely life just on a fixed income is difficult. More people are looking and challenging themselves to make extra sources of income. If smart consumption becomes an income and helps prepare for the future, how different our lives will be. Atomy enables partners to dream of a future that enjoys time and financial freedom with a sustainable income system. Atomy is a system that works together, not alone, and anyone can be a protagonist that enjoys successful and balanced life. Connect with smart consumers like myself while using absolute quality, absolute price Atomy products. And through consumers, you can continue to make more connections and expand infinitely. The points of the products used by my consumers gets accumulated every day, and you will receive sponsorship rewards accordingly. Also, there are various Mastership Levels designed to grow together so that you can continuously experience success towards new goals. This is Atomy's balanced marketing plan. The plan's first mastership is a sales master. Many consumers who love Atomy challenged to become the sales master and achieved their dream. But since Atomy's top priority is consumers' success, we didn't stop here, but continued to challenge ourselves. How can more people become a sales master easily and quickly? In the first stage of starting a business, is it possible to generate a more stable income? As small dreams gather to form an ocean of hope, Atomy believed that small achievements and success experiences will lead to a future of a greater achievement and success. As a result, Semi-Sales Promotion was born. Semi-Sales Promotion can be achieved if my membership status is a special agent, and sales performance of smaller leg is 1.5 million PV or more during this period. You can generate a stable income of about $1,000 per month. Smart consumer who buys good quality product at lower price can establish a foothold in system income faster through Semi-Sales Promotion. With Atomy's Semi-Sales Promotion, everyone who is with me and the consumers will grow and get closer to success. A company that values the spirit. A company that dreams of customers' success. Atomy is with you.